I'm going to try and get this started. Nearly had it going the other day, just probably a bit damp. So look, I'm pretending I know what I'm doing. WD. Got the first plug out. There, just giving it a bit of clean up. Let's see what happens. Change the battery. Pleased to say that I obviously got the positive and negative terminal the wrong way around on the new battery. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Oh look, turned it round, it works now. Ooh, well done, Gary. So me being me, wanting to get the toothbrush out to do engine detailing. Back in the day, I painted all of the air filter, and unfortunately it's catching the little bonnet power bulge. So I need to get some more of these little bonnet L-shaped things. But they'll have been off, and I've polished them, aka with a metal wire wheel thing, but didn't lacquer them, so just oxidise. I've also then cleaned this back in the day, which is also oxidised. So I don't know if anybody can help me with what I can clean that with to stop it oxidising. Again, the same as this part of the carburetor. And should this be black? Should I be painting that black? Other bits, as I mentioned before, to put on: the grille that I've taken off, painted. Wiper, you can see the nut on there, another nut there. Water bottle, I mean, proper lunatic me. Anyway, it's all part of trying to get this one out the garage. One of only two in the country with the automatic gearbox. There's only 88 of them in the country in total. Well, that's another thing to fix. That suddenly decided not to stay up. If anybody's got any suggestions how to keep that from falling down in my face when I'm driving, that'd be nice. I did just say to myself, what the blooming heck am I doing? Wire wheeling this again. I'm sure you can go and buy them online, but my quick Google search, which I must say I'm not the best at, couldn't find the exact over one in the 35 seconds that I gave myself to try and find some. Anyway, let's see if I can get them all nice and shiny and lacquer them this time, so that I don't have to do this again. I use the word quite excited when I'm looking at, you can see, Opel. So I'm sure if I googled that part, I'm sure I'd get it, but in fact it actually says Opel on it. Original Opel. I'm going to have to calm my excitement down, I can't hold the camera straight myself, but all done, including the screw, which I think was about 10 minutes, which is even faster than the Amazon delivery driver, so I think it was probably a win. I'm going to put it in the house, in the boiler cupboard, which is where the lacquer is, and hopefully spray shop will come out this afternoon so it doesn't go rusty again. Then there was two, and I've even got the skin on my fingers. I've done it with gloves before, but you just rip the gloves with the little bit of wires, keep going and taking bits of your glove to pieces. So far better take your skin off, and I've taken no skin off. So when I said paint shop earlier, I meant my own paint shop. Okay, I'll try and put some sheets around somewhere and spray something. So this weird contraption is what holds the bonnet down. I can't remember how it does, but again, look, oxidised from being in my house, and I've realised I did this 4 years ago. Not got it back on yet. Anyway, that's going to have a little bit more of the magic wheel, and then I'm going to lacquer it, and then I'm going to try and put it on in the near future. So I'm pleased with that. Looks all nice and shiny again. So I thought using just a little electric one was better, because I still have fingers intact, although must be getting a bit colder. But anyway, look, a bright day. So anyway, I'll try and build a little Gary's Body Shop this afternoon. See if I can lacquer these, stop them going all oxidised / rusty again. Unfortunately, a lot of improvisation for Gary's Body Shop. I have cleaned it off with a tack cloth though, so I've got all the bits off it. Do like a rattle can. So let's stick some lacquer on it. Do like the smell as well. And then you can't see, but down here I've got those Jubilee clips. But I haven't got a tripod, so it's mounted on a light. Well, unfortunately, being lacquer, you can't see what you're doing. Anyway, there's a bit on there to start us off. Let's have a little spin around, come back, do a bit more. Yes, the improvisation is cover the Opel up. Oh dear. Wish I had a proper body shop. Wish I had somewhere to hang. It'd be much better if you could hang that. Anyway, it is what it is. Hands and knees.